you had a rough night last night, mate.
Big weekend on the bend now, mate.
Looks like you had a rough night last night, mate. This guy didn't come home until 6 a.m. Looks like you had a rough night last night, mate.
I'm fucked.
After an awesome time in Chiang Mai, we're now heading back to Bangkok to pretty much spend 2 more days and just kick back, relax. And so thank you Chiang Mai and everyone here who's made this time and this trip special. Alan Bayer, congratulations again on your wedding. Alright, we're currently on our flight back to Bangkok. We've got the boys here. We will be saying goodbye to Leandro after this flight, as he's going to stay at the airport and continue his journey back home. Whereas Jethro and I still have a day and a bit here, so we're going to make the most of that while we're staying. And we're going to go visit Millennium Hilton again.
Door, baby. Let's go.
Oh, fuck. On my way again to have some food here at Flow downstairs, and then I'm going to be having a coffee upstairs in the executive lounge. Here to have some nice breakfast with Jethro this time, because he didn't experience this last time I was here. Serpa, going ham. Look at that food, huh? Look at it. I respect it. Yeah. Told you it's better down here. The executive lounge does have exclusive, you're on your own, sort of in your own environment, but the food here is more variety. They're really gonna believe you're a diamond member. Ah, what a little beach. Why you being a little beach? Jethro's scared. Look at him. He's so scared. We're up the top, the Millennium Hilton, overlooking Bangkok. Quite windy up here. Put a little bit of a chill down your spine, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of a chill down your spine at how high it is. Ah, little beach. Why you scared, you little beach? Hey, why you scared? Why you scared of falling? It's only gonna be concrete pavement. Ah, what the hell?
If you fall from here, Sepa, your body will explode.
It was. It'd be like the Titan sub.
Beeping a little beach. As long as I don't drop this, that's the thing, but sorry. Alright, Jethro.
You wanna go to the edge, Serpa?
No, wait.
Why not?
No, wait,
you don't wanna
sir.
go to the edge, Serpa? You don't wanna look over? Why are you scared?
I'm scared, sir.
We're scared. Look, you gotta go to the edge, Serpa. Don't have to be scared, Serpa. Don't have to be scared, Serpa. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, change of plan. So originally I was supposed to stay with Jethro at the banyan tree, but it turns out I didn't actually prepay, which I thought I did. And so left me kind of out of pocket if I was to pay. So I decided to cancel, which luckily they allowed me to cancel with no fee, and decided to be loyal again and stay this time at the DoubleTree, which is definitely more cheaper than the option that I had prior. Not by much, but cheap enough that one, it was close by, so I decided to stay here tonight.
Sunset nào trong lần
1. Oh. Swadika.
Sorry.
Swadika.
Swadika. What's your rule, sir? 1.
Oh.
Oh. Oh,
Thank
there
you.
it is. It's still actually good, bros. The fuck?
Was.
It's still good, man. So it's over there.
Oh yeah, maybe.
All right, we are here heading to get our facial, and we're just seeing the sights. This area looks nice. Not a bad area. I'll let you know, I never get any sort of facial treatment. Last time I went for one was in Philippines like 4 or 5 years ago, and that shit hurt. And so to get one now is what I would consider a luxury. A massage is what I would consider a necessity. So we're off to get it now. We're running a little late. I'm keen. 90-minute session. Hopefully my skin shines, bruh.
This is where it is, lad.
Hello. I have a booking for 3 p.m. 90-minute? Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, lad, we're here.
About to get a facial done. Whereas we just got our face clean, boy. My face feels so soft and smooth now.
I feel like, fuck, that was a waste of money.
Oh, of course he feels like it's a waste of money because he's never had one done before. It's the first time his face has ever been touched by another woman. Damn, my face feels clean as hell. Now we're off to
Are you sure?
check out a market and then...
I'm going home first to have a snooze.
Nah, he's not. We're going to the market and then we're going to check out all that stuff before we settle down for a nice cieladas. After our facial makeover, we decided to catch the metro or the train BTS. So this will be fun. Us trying to figure it out. I mean, we're used to trains in Sydney, so this will be an interesting one.
Handrails or stanchions firmly while standing. Thank you.
So that was a single trip ticket that we figured out. Basically put the card in and it swallows it all up. It reminds me of the old school Melbourne Metro, because in Melbourne you used to have the tickets that you would insert and then it would slide all the way through and then you're good to go. Now we need to jump onto the MRT, I think it's called. Is the other metro or other train line, which isn't connected, I believe, to the SkyTrain. That is the BTS line and we gotta find our way onto the other line. I love this, what a challenge. What an awesome place we're in. So I printed out a token that I got to use to access the train to go to the station. There's this token. Tap. Wow, so this token you use to tap on the actual metro or your card, and this will take you to where you want to go. Where's, look how deep that escalator is. Well, all goes down the same way, and then you just keep heading down, son. Huh? Yeah, just keep taking the stairs very down, bros. Just got off the metro now, and then we're gonna find our way to the market. This is how we put the coins away. Similar to the single ticket, it's just a one-time use. Put it in the coin slot, and out you go. We've arrived now in Khao San Road. Took us 20 minutes to walk here, and we're just just gonna walk through. It's the only market that's open at this stage. Jeez Louise, it's a very interesting place, I'll tell you that. Yeah, we can eat in there. Let's have a look.
Amen.
Amen.
Bangkok? Like what?
Oh, that man's so funny. He was trying to sell an actual show. That's fucked up.
The guy, the lady boy was showing me Nangs. I'm like, 150 bucks for a Nang.
Hello?
Hello.
Thank you.
Yo. Alright, so we left that street. Now we are in Central World, which is one of the biggest shopping centers in Thailand. So we're just checking it out. But we also want to get more massages, because why not? That's just what we do around here. other side we go, Soka? Let's just touch one of them wires, Soka. I see God.
Just blow up in front of me, I'm like, fuck.